It's been 5 months since DJI released a product of any significance, but that wait is over, my friend. May 15th, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time, DJI is going to release a new product. Now, we all believe that this product is going to be something to do with an action camera or an underwater drone, because they showed this picture showing a woman swimming underneath the water. It says unleash your other side. So obviously this product is going to be able to film underwater or get wet. DJI is going to let us know on May 15th, but I think it's going to either be an action camera, kind of like an Osmo Pocket, but sort of a hybrid between an Osmo Pocket and a GoPro, or we might see an underwater drone, or maybe we'll see two products. That would be awesome. I do think it's probably going to be one product, but you know, DJI always has some tricks underneath their sleeves, so you never know. So when this new DJI product comes out, I will give you really in-depth reviews, tutorials, step-by-step for someone who's a beginner, but someone who's advanced or a filmmaker. I'm trying to show more creative and advanced ways of filmmaking with DJI products. So that's why my channel is a little different from other channels, is I look at these products more like a filmmaker and try to be creative and a little different. And I break things down step by step, okay? I made over 20 videos of the Osmo Pocket, which you can see right up here. And I'll do the same with this new product that came out. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. So to give you guys a heads up, in a couple weeks, I'm gonna go down to the Grand Cayman Island. I'm gonna do a lot of shooting down there. So obviously if this product is available by then, which I think it will, because DJI releases its products right away now. They usually don't delay like they used to. So expect to get this product right away. That would be my guess. And I'm gonna go down to the Grand Cayman Islands, use that. I also live in Miami, a great place with water all around. I also can go to Key West. So you may wanna subscribe to my channel, because I'll give you a lot of unique views with this new product. Whatever it is, obviously in the water. I have a lot of great locations here in the Caribbean and in Miami. I'm very fortunate to have this. So I wanna bring that to you in order to help you become a better filmmaker and get the most out of this new product. So please press that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on May 15th.